Remakeup the Achawi Kamataya Baobing NH202 Imphal, Yukrul Shongfu Double Land Road Expansion, or Zingum Akawialungli Kupsankawai Atam Mihaira, Ku Long Bina, Kakutom Mirada, Transport Minister Kushimna Ringapa Pongshokhaira. Kachai Lemon Festival Habokhaira, Food Processing Li Ningsang Kawai Ksathaira, Kachai Li Food Processing Industry now Haimi Kawai Sara Jihaira. Lake Yang Tour, Achu the Tangkhul Express Ripao Wungramphi Ngalung Inapami Talay, Baobinghi Maisaina Nganangrumsa. NH202 Imphal, Yukrul Shongfu Double Land Road Expansion Otwivang, Deadline Zingum Aka Mihaira. Bauhi Transport Minister Kushim Vashum Zangda, NHITCL officials being Jan Zek Hai Tili Kahangna. Jan Zekchi Aya Yukrul Mini Secretary Li Kwikaya. NH202 Imphal, Yukrul Double Land Expansion Ot Sangna Ngsonra Hauda, Chi Katakwi Alongli Yangsang Mikawai, Ayawi Kazipchi Kwikakana. Shongfu Expansion Ot Chi 2000 Gum Haukapokna. Ukrul Mini Secretariat Conference Holy Kzip Kapam Chili, Transport Minister Kushim Vashumli, Ngsoda Ukrulwi MLA Ramuiva, Ukrul DC Kengo Zuringla, District Level Officials Bing, CSO Shongfu Kusemna Zeda Kale, Kuram Bingwi, Minganing Bing Kala, NHITCL Officials Bing Zanga. Kazipwi Tili AIR News Li, Minister Kushim Vashumna Kahang, Shongfuji Sempup Kawai CSO Kala Ramnau Bingna Full Corporation Mira Jihaira. NHITLCW Katara Managing Director Nala Contractor Bingli Saklak Aina Chizumi Haira. Ramvu Aina TM Kosomna Katom Mira Gaji Full Commitment Miyada Kushimna Ringapa Pongshoka. Tangkhul Ngalung Nala Maram Hili Corporation Mira Jihairada Katsioji Kupung Mapung Palak Aina Kupsanga Gaji Transport Minister na Hanga. Ot Kupsang Kawai Zingum Aka Mihaira Kalachi Chesami Baichauda Manangra Labai Ka Ukrul Du Imphal Road Gaja Mahadev Kashungda Kupsang Lakra Gaji Shitsangda Minister Kushimna Pongshoka. 20 Kachai Lemon Festival Habok Haira Zingum Makakashung Kachai Lemon Festival Aya Habokta Kachai Village Local Ngaryopungli Rungmidale Panichi Adzu Kupsangra. Kachai Lemon Festival Hi Kachai Fruits Farming and Processing Cooperative Society na Haupok Kamina. Panitwi Ngaran Ngaye Wivang North Eastern Council Shillong Government of India through EBETA, MoMA, MITH, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Department Government of Manipur, Tourism Department, MSCS, District Administration, Yukrul ICAR and Cooperative Department Government of Manipurna sponsor Samia. Kachai Chambra Panichili, Yukrul wi TFO Shangam Shaliwo, Kala, Ukrul LM Plokwi STO or PTO Rohini Kumar, Anina Kayawo Sada Vazanga. Aya Panit Haukapok Ranyili, Manipur Outer Lok Sabha, MP Dr. Lorho S. Fozena, Masovo Sarada Lekasa, Mavarar Tuta, Aprevu Apinau Muiva Fozena Vazanga. Atumli Ngsoda, retired Gevike Imphal West ICAR Program, Coordinate Sanyaula Kingo Ramanda Vazanga. Manipur Directorate of Commerce Industries, Additional Director Saksa Apinau Muiva Fozena, Kachai Chambra Panit Kamayon Zingum Maka Kashungahai Tailaga Ringapa Pongshoka. Chambra hiaka matada matailaga kachaili food processing haklak ina malaylala katiwa industry aka haimi kawai MP Dr. Lorho S. Fozeli Karajan Samira Jihaira. LM Plog STO Kumarna Kamatuili Kachai Humi Dora Kala Ringanai Kuung Tarada Shiniwi Ngalay Citrus Ate Arai Bagda Matalak Aina Sakwi Kabai Layada Hangjiteya. Ka infrastructure Matada Makalewiwang Ate Arai Taraka Arema Ngasaka Highway Kasakla Laydalay Gaji Hangsanga. Kumarna Kahang Abam Hili Zadnada Kalay Ate Min Kahai Tili Hekakwiwi Kapa Galamakapala Laya. Local Langanongli Ate Kamin Min Takta Yorkwipai Ka Sangdala Mahaiva Baimana. Ate Arai Lingsang Ngalay Kate Himachal Jammu and Kashmir Kala Maharashtra Katali Yanglaga Ate Arai Sangme Haibai Kawai Pre-Rip Fruits Harvesting Gacha Ate Maminchaurang Laka Hekakwi Hi Shurpairada Kumarna Hangsanga. Ate Shirai Sangmei Haikawai Cold Chain Infrastructure Food Kala Food Processing Kanihina Kamataya Apong Ngasaya. Cold Storage Facilities Kale Tarka Salak Dalay Ka Matay Meta Apam Hili Food Processing Na Pakame Kwirara Gachi Kumarna Hangsanga. Jambrakor Shijinda Lemon Candy Samshok Dalay Gachila Taita STO Kumarna Ringapa Mayakangai Pongshoka. Kachai Lemon Festival We Akai Akasada Achu Capacity Building Program Rungmiki Dalay. Ranye Chili Banking Aina Finance Maram Value Added Products Jambra Lingakwi Ara Hikata Maramli Tamjiteira. Manipurli Private School Shaka Langda Infrastructure Matada Malay La Shorkarwi Authorization Mazangla Shodale. Pauhi Federal Students Organization Kanglei Bak Fesokna Pongshokta Organization Jiwi Second Foundation Day Kamayonli President Ronald Kennedy Longjamna Kahang Warshim Lingakali Lay Sada Lupa Ungzang Kawai Ningrin Aina Masapalung Mara Fasokna Government School Lila Education Quality Kala Resource Katada Haimi Kala Yang Kawai Survey Sara Jidale Organization Jina School Campus Li Nishari Li Kungsung Campaign Kwikara Gachila Hanga State Li Shokta Kalei Hina Education Sector Li Merlak Aina Satsa Haira Gachi Hangda Crisis Hi Resolve Sakavai State Kala Center Shorkarli Ngakau Haira. Next academic session Hiwi Aina Fasokna Unrecognized School Mushong Sakmara Jahaira. Wungramphi Board of Secondary School Manipur Kala Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur Nala Yangsang Mida Unauthorized School Saikoru Shumi Kawai Fasokna Bohaira. Imphal Airports Li Nishari Pungzat Kasa Mi Akali Tukui Haira. Hortang Indigo Airlines Surveillance Li Brown Sugar KG 2.20 Shika Pungasa Tehuida Police Na Amrul Huta Ho Akali Tukui Haira. Amrul Hutahi Zingum Makada Kani Lilong Bazar Tobal District We Mina. Lakavak Borombat Imphal East Shong WY Tablets Pungzat Kasa Akalila Tukuya. Zingum Hangpangada Mati Base Mayum Yaibi Na WY Tablets 631 grams Pungzat Sada Hortang Shun Old Jail Road Area DG Higher Secondary School Ngalemli Tukuya. Awitungli case Tasingda Investigation Habok Hairada Bolisna Hanga. Asamna Ngareo Ngahan Luiramli Kamata Yasada Kuya Gachi Hangda Rakara National Games Asamna Makokmi Kangai Pongshok Haira. Maramhi Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarmana Kelo India University Games 2023 Asta Lakshmi Haukapokli Kahangna. 4th edition Khelo India University Games G Sarusachai Sports Complex Guwahati li Rumia Assamna Sports Kazip Kahahak National Games 2007, 12 South Asian Games 2016, FIFA U17 World Cup, AIPA World Women Youth Boxing Championship, Premier Badminton League, National School Games, Khelo India Youth Games, Hikatata Makok Mihaira. Chitada Sada 2025 Maning Aka 2026 National Games Assamli Rumi Kawai Chief Minister Sarmana Senderli Kapo Sahira Chief Minister Sarmana Kahang Assamwi Sporting Likesi Haklaka Kala Arila State Wiena Players Kamatata Shopta Indiali Maikaya Kwiramira Gaji Shitsangada Sarmana Hanga Lok Sabha election hi Mayo Kachang Tarik Chikowi Tili Hangmi Labaida Ladalay. News 18 Pau Atishoda Election Commission of India wi Panel states Gatadaidali final check Wang Rokhaira Kala 2024 election calendar hi 2019 Withada Semlabai. Reader wi general election li March 10 2019 li Tarik Ngavau Milaga bowling face Shini Aina April 11 Kala May 19 we along the Saya. Indiana Lok Sabha bowls we Kangran Samaman La State Kaikana Assembly election Kangran Samamanda ECI officials team visit Zat Mahungdalay. Representative being government officials li Mayo March Darik Jishat Chikoli Sampangda Jammu and Kashmir security situation Kala force Kale Makale Maram Ngasanrada News 18 Pau China Hanga Mayo Tarik Tarada Kani Gutumli Atum Jammu and Kashmir Valaka Union Territory Assembly poll Saina Lok Sabha election Sakapai Masakapai Crown situation Vayangrada Leia Indian farmers bina Sanderle Atumi Timan Kasa Kwisang Kawai Bolishit Haira Farmers Minganing Sarwan Singh Bantirna Kahang Atumna Botakle minimum support price we legal guarantee kala farm loan terkamihi zanga Atum Achu Delhi Varada Ngarandale Achahontang farmer leaders Delhi Chalo agitation li Kazang Bina Senderwi proposal Kalan Ghaina Senderna propose Kasa Pulse Kamate Kala Vati MSP Aina government agencies na Zinkum Pangawivang Loga Gachina Ka Chi farmers Bingwivang Kapa Mangsa Manada Kalan Gahaina Sender Aina farmer leaders Bingwi Changze Kamate Matang Kwikada Union Minister Gatumna proposal Ji Kamina Latlita Achui Kamataya Baubing NH202 Imphal, Yukrul Shongfu Double Land Road Expansion, Od Zingum Akawiyalungli Kupsankawai Atam Mihaira, Ku Long Bina, Kakutom Mirada, Transport Minister Kushimna Ringkapa Pongshokhaira. Kachai Lemon Festival Habokhaira, Food Processing Li Ningsang Kawai Ksathaira, Kachai Li Food Processing Industry Now Haimi Kawai Sara Jihaira. Achiwi Pau Hili Ngachang Haira, Pau Nganada Kalay Natum Saiko Rili Ringapa Kala Kamahaya Zimiksho Ngasasirano.